Welcome back to another episode of GMS Racing, guys. We got Gustavo here to get an updated manifold. I want to show you guys kind of what we got going here. This is his manifold that's going to be going on his car. We've changed the ports to port match the head, so we won't have no more leaks. The G80 is on the lift. The ECU is going to be here back from BMW Evo to be unlocked, so we're going to do a boot mod tune on it in the stage 2, downpipes and everything. So we got the downpipes already built and ready to go. These are proprietary to us, GMS downpipes. These are catless, so they'll be going on here, give it a little better note and freeing up a little bit more power on the top end. But we're going to be doing that in just a minute. After we finish this, we're going to get Gustavo in here. We're going to get his manifold updated, get him the dyno, and go from there. But let's get to it. Sweet.
Pretty easy.
These aren't too bad to get off, guys, so make sure that if you guys want to do these at home, you can easily do them at home, I think, right, Don?
Oh, definitely, you can do them at home.
Yeah, if you do it on stand, you can do it at home. You can order them directly from us on our Instagram DM, or you can visit our website and get them. If you guys want to send your ECU to get unlocked, we can show you those steps to remove the ECU and get that over to you. We can get boot mod installed and get that tuned all remote. The car never has to be here. We're excited to show you guys what this car will do and how it'll sound. So hopefully we get it started today. We should see the ECU any minute. John's just cracking away at this, huh, John?
Yep. Anytime soon. So
nothing better than working on a nice, clean car too.
Yeah.
All right.
So he's not oily or anything. No mess.
Sorry guys, I know the fan's a little loud, but without that,
it'd be like 100.
We're dead in here. Literally, it's 100 degrees outside right now, and it's only 11 o'clock. Around here in Utah, when it's summer, it's 100 degrees about almost 8:30 in the morning.
Oh, okay.
Crazy.
Today was 81 at 7:45.
Yeah.
81.
Exactly. So, working on a Cobin's GTR. We just did downpipes on that car, tuning it up for him. We did 1050 injectors. So he's gonna be doing flex fuel as well. So we'll be doing that probably next week and put it on the dyno. He's got this beast all cleaned up. We got all the colors. All the colors. Remember, you guys, anything you guys want, if you guys want to paint match or color match any color, sky's the limit as far as colors go. It's crazy. So make sure you guys reach out. We can help you achieve that. Hey, almost fell. All right, I'm gonna keep going at this. And just like that, she's out. Out with the old, in with the new. No more restriction.
Look at that thing.
Not bad, huh, Don?
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Let's see. True twin turbos. Sweet. All right, let's get these set up. Looking out for M2 Evo to get an ECU back to us, and this is boot mod 3. I'll show you guys what we're gonna put on. This car will be getting set up with our boot mod 3 and our GMS tuner. It's a little pouch, so if you get boot mod, it will come just like this with the OBD2, and if you have an iPhone, the lightning connector and the Ethernet on the other side. If you have an Android, it'll come with the Android connector. But this here goes to Nick, not G82. We'll set this here. And we'll get it set up. Alright guys, got the car back together. We fixed the manifold. We powder coated the compressor cover and the charge pipe. Got Gustavo putting a little bit of hands in. But yeah, you should be road testing this in a little bit, so I'm gonna wrap it up and see how it looks.
Good old Gustavo Mk5 in the building. Just chipping away at the particle. Same day powder coat? Damn, like that?
Done by like market products. Same day.
I'll put them on the link at the bottom. Right there.
It's all wrapped up. This is the first start. Take out for a ride, make sure everything's good. Probably put it on the dyno tomorrow, see what it makes for power. It's all set, all the powder coated, everything's tight, back together.
Everything fit pretty good, huh?
Perfect.
Job here, dog.
After all that?
That's what I think. I pretty much work here, but part-time. Only when they need a real mechanic.
And that's Damien for you guys. Jesus Christ, man. What do you think?
Way better this time. Even then, last time was feeling amazing. You know, this time just feels perfect. You know, it's hitting right away now. So, yeah, we just got to dial it in completely and see where that goes, you know. See how much we can make and see how fast we can go at the quarter-mile track.
What are we thinking, Goose?
Well,
What are we thinking?
530.
530?
Heartbreaker dyno. hopefully at least like 650 right now.
650?
You know, V68, so we're not pushing full 85, so, you know, and we're just on the second log, you know, so can't expect too much either, but once it's fully dialed in, I'm expecting like 750,
Yep.
800.
Yep, that's the goal. That's the goal.
good numbers. Considering that our ethanol content right now is about 68 into the 85, so there's a little room for growth. But we'll do another pass, make sure it's consistent.
Happy with the numbers?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Happy with the numbers?
Yeah, for now, yeah.
Turn it up a little bit. All right.
One a day, guys. We got it done. Like we said, we were almost 100% sure that was the problem, and there it is. That's the solution. So anybody that wants the kit will have the updated manifold. Anybody that's gonna get the kit will already have the updated manifold. There's not a one single manifold out there that is not up to par. So make sure to get your order. And that's it for this video. We'll see you next time. Peace.